So first, you have to measure all ingredients: double cream, egg yolks, sugar, amaretto, chocolate and gelatin leaves. I'm gonna leave full recipe in description down below. First of all, I whip my double cream and I will keep it inside the fridge for later. Next, I mix egg yolks and sugar properly. If you don't want to eat raw eggs, you can cook it for a few minutes on bain-marie, but I don't mind. Now it's time to melt my chocolate slowly. Also melt my gelatin leaves inside a warm amaretto. And now it's time to combine everything together. So first, eggs and chocolate. And then amaretto with gelatin. And last thing is coming whipped cream part by part in. Now I put it inside the box and leave it to set overnight inside the fridge. The next day, you can enjoy this amazing chocolate mousse. And that's it guys, I hope you learned something new today. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Have a nice day and I see you soon.